Hi Sagittarius. Today I'm going to do general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. So first we will see general messages regarding your career and finances. Then we will see love messages. Sagittarius, fire sign, sun, moon, rising, and Venus. So recent past, present, future, and your present energy. King of Swords under the deck, we got Queen of Wands. Okay, so right now you're setting and maintaining boundaries regarding your work area because people taking you granted, they are not seeing the reality here. That's why you're taking your power back and you're right now focusing on yourself, investing energy on yourself, or you want to, from now, you want to more focus on yourself because Queen of Wands with Queen of Swords. You learned your lessons. You learned truth in a very hard way. And recent past, Knight of Wands with Six of Cups. In recent past, you were healed and you focused on your passion, you took action, everything was fine in recent past. I am not seeing any big issues, to be honest. Present, Six of Swords with Six of Pentacles. See, some of you right now, you are thinking about to relocate to other city, state, or country regarding your work purpose. Uh, because right now you don't have enough money, you want to balance your situation, so that's why you want to relocate, or some of you want to change your job because your financial situation is unbalanced. Yes. And some of you want to relocate because you are prioritizing your peace, mental peace. So let's see the future energy. Sorry, the Empress with Seven of Swords. You will be on your power, Sagittarius, because Sagittarius are straightforward in nature, very stubborn, and you will be on that energy. But people will try to push you down because pull you down because Seven of Swords, sneaky energy. So don't trust anyone blindly. At the same time, don't take any shortcuts. If somebody is saying do this, you will get more money. Do this, you will get big success in a very short period of time. No, don't do that. Don't listen to them because Seven of Swords is a sneaky energy. Just focus on yourself, invest energy on yourself. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding your career and finances. Eight of Pentacles, King of Wheels, Three of Cups. Again, in near future, also you will more focus on yourself. You will master your craft. You will be logical because you want financial stability in your life. And Three of Cups, it's all about spending some quality time with your loved ones or with your friends. But I'm seeing a lot of growth. You will improve your skill. Yes, you will master your craft. Wow. And I'm seeing financial growth for lots of you guys. So let's see love messages. So let's see your person current thoughts, your current thoughts, your person present energy and your present energy. Under the deck we got the Hierophant. Some of you are dealing with Taurus, H sign. So your person present energy is three of wands. Some of you are in long distance here, living in different cities, states or countries, but your person is thinking about progress for sure. And their current thoughts, seven of pentacles, the lovers and chariot. They are in slow moving. They are not in rush at all. But at the same time, they're seriously thinking about you. Okay. Uh, it doesn't mean they're in slow moving and they are not taking care of you or they're not thinking about you. No, they're thinking about you, but they're in slow moving. Lovers is all about they feeling very, very attracted to Sagittarius. So present energies, you think family situation, you want to be uh, you want to be a person, but at the same time you want that emotional fulfillment in your relationship. Your current thoughts, six of cups, queen of wands and page of pentacles. See, you want heart to heart conversations, you want that emotional support from your person, and but your person is like very introvert, not emotionally available. Sometimes they are not available to you emotionally, so you have these type of issues with your person. You're still waiting your person to change. And page of pentacles, definitely you want to communicate or you're waiting for communication here. And we got the Hierophant, which means stability, want to take this into next level. Some of you dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Taurus, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. So let's see your person next action. Three of Swords, Temperance, Knight of Pentacles, and Devil. So definitely your person take action, but again they are in slow moving and they obsessively thinking about you. They're thinking about you all 24 by 7. And for some, why your person is late? Because they are under the influence of third party. So that's why they are in slow moving energy. Because they're controlled by other person, it could be family or other person, but your person is going to take action slowly but surely. And some of you are dealing with Sagittarius, another Sagittarius fire sign. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Eight of Pentacles, Five of Swords with Six of Pentacles, and the world. So you both will think about each other very positively, try to balance the situation. You both will try to balance the situation, but thinking about the past also, clarified by Queen of Pentacles, the Emperor, and Knight of Cups and Two of Cups. So definitely you both will start your relationship all over again. You both will be in a relationship soon, but everything is moving slowly here. So patience will be the key. And lots of you are dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, a lot of water energy is here. And you both will realize that you both are meant to be together because nobody can replace each other's place. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Seven of Swords. Again, don't trust anyone and don't cheat your person. And don't cheat by your person also. And Two of Cups. Yes, this is your soulmate. King of Wands. I think you have more than two people in your life which are interested in you, Sagittarius, and your person is going to enter in your life soon. For some, they already entered. So let's see energy oracle messages. Door to value. You're going to attract a lot of abundance into your life. Hostilities, you have having a lot of difficulties or limiting beliefs you need to overcome. And the world, you need to spend some quality time with yourself to get more clarity regarding your life. You are very close to achieving your goal, Gibbous Moon. So for those who are constantly doing hard work to achieve their goal, you are very close to achieve your goal. And step out of your comfort zone, North Node. So for those who want to achieve something big, first you need to come out of your comfort zone. And communication is key. New moon in Gemini. Some of you are dealing with Gemini air sign. So while communicating with others, be careful because communication will make or break the relationship or will make or break the deals also. Let go of control issue. Allow the situation to unfold naturally. So don't control any situation and don't let them control you. Make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. So your person learned that making effort is the best thing to do. And love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. So love yourself first. Put yourself first. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. If anyone needs a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.